Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Basketball is my favorite thing in the world.
Tom is amazing. He's the best player in school.
Wow, Tom is really talented. Nothing can stop me.
Everybody knows who I am.
That's Tom.
He's the basketball star.
I've won more games than anyone.
I don't really need anyone else. Oh, we go on and on and.
Practice makes me stronger.
Hi, Tom. Hey, Chloe.
Honestly, I'm the reason our team wins.
We need to work together.
Tom, remember you're part of a team. I can handle it myself. He never passes. He only cares about himself.
He never passes.
He only cares about himself.
I can score this myself.
He doesn't even notice us.
Hey, Tom.
Hi. Want to train together after school? School? I train better alone. Oh, okay.
Something isn't right.
He never wants help.
We're supposed to be teammates.
Basketball isn't a one-player game.
I know what I'm doing.
Talent matters, but teamwork wins games.
Put Nishankin's best shoe. I'm the best player on this team.
I'll prove I'm right.
A team succeeds when everyone works together.
Maybe they're all overreacting. Maybe I should think about that.
Maybe I haven't been listening.
Big game today, everyone.
Today will be different.
Let's go, Eagles! Eagles! Eagles!
Players ready?
Let's do this! Tom, pass! I'm open! I've got this. I've got this.
Nowhere to go.
Oh no. I messed up.
Learn from it, Tom. I know.
Keep going, Tom. I won't give up.
Coach was right.
Trust your teammates. I think I understand now.
Let's do this together. Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Jake is open. Take the shot. Yes! Ah! Great shot!
That's teamwork.
Jake! Got it! Nice pass. Thanks! That's what I wanted to see. Keep it moving! We did it! I'm sorry, everyone. We're a team.
Winning together feels amazing.
That's the power of teamwork.
And that's what makes a true champion.